healthy ecosystem. But don't take this for granted.
Elusive, unpredictable, violent. It terrifies most scientists.
They're a horrible chemical leak. Fishes absorb the chemical and pass the poison to birds. The bird's droppings contained a very high concentration of chemical. When plants absorbed the bird's droppings, they passed on the poison to other organisms in the food web.
Grass and leaves, what most of the food chain feeds on, a producer, also like fruits and flowers, and then decomposing material too. Grasshoppers feed on grass and leaves, then is eaten by many other animals. Caterpillar also feeds on leaves, later becomes a butterfly. Aquatic turtle eats the same. This is then passed on to crocodiles, then eagles, also with mosquitoes, later with insects, then come frogs. Fireflies proceed to snake, also orangutan, llama, spider, butterfly, normal bird, rabbit, turtles, leopards, kangaroos, goats, sharks, tigers, lions, flamingos, giraffes, hornbills, cats, fish, hippopotamus, and ants in humans. All this virus, all this poison ends in humans.
Can the scientists save the world?